All right, good morning, everybody. So we got another project for you today. I'm at my buddy's property, and we're going to join up two shipping containers so he can have a shop and some storage. So we'll bring you along, and then I'll touch just like I normally do. I'll jump in and kind of give an update on where we're at, what the next step is. First step right now is to cut out an opening on this smaller shipping container. Once that's cut out, we're going to get it kind of hooked up to a track loader out here and kind of maneuver it its spot. So we'll bring you back for that. But for this cutting part, probably just put you on time lapse. But yeah, that's the plan for today. All right, one down, one to go. This one he had cut out quite a bit already, so this shouldn't take much longer. We're going to start moving this over to these piers. And now you can kind of see how these will conjoin, and he'll have his shop in there.
Yep.
What's that?
I might have to get that off there. I'm not sure.
Okay. That's pretty close.
One shot, one kill.
I know, right?
I'd rather be lucky than good any fucking day. Good deal. Yeah, that's about right where I want it for now. I would have liked just a smidge over, but I'm not gonna.
Yeah, we'll measure over.
Yeah, that'll give you enough room to get this fucking tire out of here.
Wow.
I brought the impact. Make short work of that. I think I can shut her down for a minute.
Yeah, C-channel in there and stuff.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna get one more piece of dunnage because I'm on that side of center. If I get a piece of dunnage under this when I come down on it.
Yeah, something like this. Oh, this one more.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, good deal.
Well, I can come down on this side.
What do you mean?
I can come down. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see why not.
Yeah. I mean, looks like we're a little heavy on this side.
Yeah.
It should still slide because I'm on the track.
Yeah. Nelly, come here.
Fucking concrete will pop.
Yeah. Okay, so we're coming to the end here. We've got the 20-footer sandwiched up against the 40-footer, and you can see here, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, it is right smack there. Now, we did figure out that we kind of shot off of this tan colored one, and by the time we put a level to it, we noticed that the original, I guess, container was not plumb, and you can kind of see there the bubble.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yep. So, but it's within a margin of error that is acceptable, and he's going to run with it. And here's the plan. I mean, when something's out of plumb like that, it kind of exasperates the gap the further out you go. So right now we have just under 3 inches, but we've got a pretty good plan. We're going to use some of this C-channel, flip it over, and we got these 1/2-inch pieces that he cut down, and those will kind of be used for shims. All that will be welded to that, what looks like 1-inch rebar. We'll display that here now, so you can see how nice of a fit that is. That C-channel is same width of this, so he'll weld all that together, and that all goes 4 feet down into the footer. And right now we got it up on this high lift jack just so we can kind of work. And then over on this side, kind of the same deal, with one difference is, so this rebar here is going to have to be cut down a little bit so it'll accept this C-channel, because we want that C-channel to slide over the top of it. Now, if the rebar protrudes out the top, great. We'll just weld the top of that. Be like a plug weld. So like I said, the margin of error is acceptable. It doesn't feel like a fun house on the inside of the containers. It actually feels pretty good. And like my buddy said, I suppose if you dropped a ball bearing, you would probably lose it. But yeah, so the couple hours worth of work. And we did fight with the high lift jacks for a while before we kind of wised up and put some oil on them. That changed a lot. So they started working much better now. So yeah, that's the plan moving forward. We don't really have much left to film. I'll probably come back out and help them with the roof and
Do the walkthrough in there?
yeah. Oh yeah, I'll show you the cutouts in here. So here's the cutouts. They turned out real nice. And just having all this room, he's going to have a shop, and pretty much there's going to be a wall coming out here, and that side of this high cube will be closed off where he plans to store his tractor, and this will just all be all shop. Pretty good size. So what is it, 16 by, we'll call it 16 by 20, somewhere in that range. And this is just the first step. Down the road, he wants to add another 40, and we'll definitely bring you all back then. But yeah, he'll have some cabinets and welder and tool storage back there. Like I said, the lighting's not the best. He'll definitely have some better lighting down the road. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. He's got this Whirlybird vent. I mean, it's a little warm, but it feels pretty nice in here. So yeah, it's a pretty good day of work. We got quite a bit done. And I'll definitely bring you back when we go to start on the next step, which might be the 40-foot addition, might be the roof. It just depends on his schedule, my schedule, and what he wants to do. So I appreciate y'all watching. We'll catch you on the next one.